How to craft wings in Terraria. So first you must be in hard mode. You cannot craft wings before defeating the wall of flesh, because the universal ingredient for almost every wing recipe is 20 souls of flight. So just like this one, you should have 20 souls of flight. And to get these, you just simply need to build a platform up to the space layer and wait for a wyvern to spawn. So as you can see, there's a wyvern right here. So these are like mini bosses. So these are quite tough, so be ready and have a good weapon. But once you kill the wyvern, as you can see, you'll receive some souls of flight, and for that wyvern I received 8. Now once you have the souls, you just simply need a secondary ingredient. I highly recommend skipping angel and demon wings. They have the worst stats in the game. Instead, just hunt some pixies in the hollow, just like this. And as you can see, I received some pixie dust. So just hunt pixies in the hollow for 100 pixie dust to make the fairy wings. Or farm harpies in space for a giant harpy feather to make the harpy wings. Now once you have all the materials, just go to a mithril or orichalcum anvil, since a regular anvil will not work. Now just simply open up your crafting menu, and as you can see, I can now craft the fairy wings with 20 souls of flight and 99 pixie dust. So I'm just going to click on it and just basically put it in your inventory to equip it, just like that. Finally, if you are not in hard mode yet but see people flying, they are basically using fledgling wings. So you cannot craft those. You can only find them inside chests on floating islands just like this, or by fishing for some sky crates. So for this one, there's no wings, but you just have to basically search every island to gain the wing, but it's only by chance. And that is how you basically craft wings in Terraria.